Klein Van and Specialty Rental will customize a leasing program tailor-fit to your exacting needs. We do not offer cookie-cutter pricing and services because not all fleet managers need or desire all services, so why pay for what you don't need? Klein can price a base lease for just your vehicles, or we can personalize an entire fleet strategy for whatever your needs may be. So whether you're a startup, a major corporation, a municipality, federal agency, our staff will work closely with your business to develop the fleet solutions needed to address specific leasing and fleet management objectives. Though we specialize in volumes of the hard-to-find equipment, we can supply almost any make and model of factory-produced equipment, foreign or domestic. We specialize in passenger vans of any size. Light cargo vans, sprinters, transit vans, and pickup trucks of all sizes can be designed to fit any business application and/or budgetary requirements. The right procurement and fleet management is key in terms of savings, cost control, profit margins, and managing risk tolerance. Klein's experience and extensive banking abilities allow us to offer some of the best rental and leasing packages in the industry. Klein can offer unencumbering short-term solutions like rentals and operating leases, as well as the more traditional capital and finance leases. Custom programs mean we can deal with almost any request for high mileage, length of commitment, upfit, or special equipment and services desired to be capped into your lease or rental. We know your fleet is a vital part of your organization's operation. At Klein, our experience can help you improve your fleet efficiency and safety while saving you time and money. Services like telematics, fuel programs, and roadside assistance can be added to any lease. Klein leases include freshly serviced vehicles that more than cover terms of most rentals and short-term needs, but we can offer longer-term uses of range of extended warranties and maintenance programs, again based on your needs and budget. If you have a particular need or would just like to explore what options might be available to you by using Klein's vehicles and services, we invite you to contact us today. Please fill out a request for a free no-obligation quote on our website, or just call us at area code 816-554-3344 today. Thank you.